Today I have the pleasure of speaking with Christine Porcaro of Lexington Wealth Management in Lexington, Massachusetts. Christine has been recognized as a top advisor for 2008. She was recognized in the Boston metropolitan area as well as the New England region of the country. Congratulations, Christine. To get started, please describe for us the focus of your financial advisory practice.
Yes, Lexington Wealth Management is a boutique, conflict-free investment advisory firm. We're located in both Massachusetts and downtown New York, and we focus primarily on holistic wealth management and really take pride in seeing the whole client picture and making sure that they're understood in the wealth management process. So we provide investment solutions and look at both sides of the balance sheet for the client.
Christine, Top Advisors recognizes financial advisors by comparing them to their peers in their geographic area. Two specific factors were looked at in depth: assets under management as well as growth of average assets per client. Without giving away any trade secrets, can you tell me what you are doing that is different from your peers that has allowed you to grow your assets or average assets per client faster than your peers over the last 4 years?
So we've had some really great growth the past year, and I think we attribute that to growth individually within the firm, myself and my partner, and really being able to understand our client. We've done something a little bit different, and that is we've brought a wealth counselor to the practice, and we actually call her our transition expert. So some of the things that she does is help us to focus on people's situations through wealth transition, anything from the sale of a business or a divorce. And because of that, and because we're truly understanding the client's situation and really trying to provide independent solutions to those situations, I think that they have realized that we're not your typical investment advisory firm, where we see ourselves as an extension of our client's family, or we'd like to see ourselves as an extension of their family, really understanding what they need to get them to the goals that they're trying to achieve in life. And working with this wealth counselor has been really great for the firm, where she's coached us and worked directly with clients to make sure that everybody's understanding what needs to be done for the client.
Now, Christine, we hear a lot about client niches. Some advisors develop client niches by lifestyle, such as retirees, some by profession, such as doctors or small business owners, and some by cultural groups, such as Hispanics, and finally some by client net worth, such as the high net worth or mass affluent. As you look for new clients, what type of clients do you look for?
So Lexington Wealth Management deals primarily with a high net worth investor, and that's a person who has investable assets in excess of $2 million. And typically we work very well with entrepreneurs or people that have wealth in transition, maybe a woman who's going through a divorce or sale of a business or a large inheritance in the family, and that again is attributed to our transition expert. And being entrepreneurs ourselves, and myself and Michael have actually bootstrapped the business, working with entrepreneurs, we can really relate to those type of people and really understand some of the things you have to go through to sell your business and transition your business and grow your business. So I would say primarily entrepreneurs and people that have wealth in transition.
Now, Christine, as you know, one of the most intimidating concepts for investors is the number and complexity of the different financial products that are in the market. Mutual funds, closed-end funds, ETFs, variable and fixed annuities, and the industry seems to come up with more and more every single year. Are there any product types that you tend to lean towards or stay away from in working with your clients?
So we're a boutique firm, but that doesn't mean that we don't have global access to products. We have a research partner that provides us research, so we have access, and because we're independent, we have access to any of the investment vehicles that are out there to meet a client's need. So that can be anything from a mutual fund, a privately managed account, a hedge fund product or alternative investment, private equity, managed futures, and ETFs, and the list goes on. So again, we're independent, and the goal is making sure that the people that we sit down with we're finding solutions that are going to get them where they need to be, and that can be through any type of investment product that we think is going to work for them. And then we actually will go out and hire those types of products or hire those professional money managers and implement the strategy for the client. So we don't work for anyone but the client. We have no proprietary products in place, and really believe that that's the best way to serve the client.
Now, Kristine, is there any one thing that you would like investors to know about your financial practice before we sign off?
I think that if you're a client or an investor that's looking for a firm that's really different, we're that firm. You're going to come and sit in our office, or we're going to come and sit in your living room, and we're going to talk, and it's not going to be about the hard numbers. I mean, obviously performance is very important, and we believe our performance numbers are there and they're solid. However, it's more about the life picture. It's more about the holistic plan, the goals, what's important to you, what keeps you up at night. So we're real people, and we're going to sit there with you and understand anything that you want to talk about and help you to get where you need to be.
Kristine, thank you very much for spending time with us today, and once again, congratulations on being recognized as a top advisor 2008.
Thank you very much.